maraming support ka lahat ng pagmamahal. Thank you for the map. But I have a question. Are you guys enjoying?
Enjoy po ba kayo? This is just the beginning, guys. Kasi maraming pang mangyayari tonight. Are you excited na makita si Gerald? Na! Walang t-shirt!
Siyempre po magpapasalamat lang po kami talaga sa inyong lahat for making an effort to come here. At siyempre we're really enjoying our time dito sa Australia. And I hope you guys will enjoy also. Diba? Tama po ba? Tama po ba yun?
Yes! Again, mga kapamilya, thank you very much. We know it's a Saturday, but you guys are here with us. So, alam ko, you can spend it with your family, but you guys are here with us. So, thank you so much.
Sino excited sa very first performance for tonight? Sino excited? I see these girls right here. They're excited right here. They're excited. Ready na ba siya? Tanongin natin, ready na ba siya? I think he's ready na daw. Kilala niyo ba kung sino?
Alright guys, are you guys ready for the next performance?
Pero bago siya lalabas, kailangan po maupo lahat.
Yeah,
para lalabas. Enjoy ko yung mga sa likod.
Alright. So, baka hindi na ito kayanin. Pag lumabas to, kakaiba ang naman.
Sigurado ako, paglabas nito, dudumuli na naman siya. Pero dapat pa-settle down muna tayo. Paglabas nito,
kakaiba ang kamandag ni Kaboy.
Ay,
ibang klase.
Yung kamandag niya parang height niya.
Wow!
Parang height mo.
Uy!
Parang kamandag mo.
O sige, ito na.
Huwag na natin